So you see me, I'm on this channel. You see all my videos, or some of my videos, not all of them. Let me go to, let's see. Let's go to, hold on a second. We're gonna go to Black Opal Quantum, right? We're gonna sign in. And sign in. All right. And let's go to this one. We're gonna go to this one. All right, so we're gonna go over some of the things that I've talked about in other videos, right? So let's talk about the X gate. All right, the X gate. So this is for some of my new followers, my new subscribers. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, the X gate takes this qubit from the 0 to the 1 state if it starts out at the 0 state, right? So, all right, and it goes around the x-axis. This is the line from here over to the other side, right? So this, like I said, this is for my new subscribers, my new followers, and this is a refresher for those who've been on my channel for a while. All right, so we're gonna try the Y gate. I'm gonna get rid of this X gate, and we're gonna play the Y gate. And that also goes from the 0 state to the 1 state with this qubit, with this quantum qubit, and it goes around, but the Y gate goes around the Y axis, right? You see the Y axis is going around the Y axis to the 1 state. That's the only difference between the X gate and the Y gate. The X gate goes from the 0 to the 1, going around the X axis, and the Y gate goes around the Y axis, going from the 0 to the 1 state. Okay. Now let's try the Z gate. I'm gonna play the Z gate, and the Z gate, you really only can use the Z gate after you use the Hadamard gate first, because you have to put the qubit in the quantum qubit, which is, this is a qubit, this is a quantum qubit, right? Because you're doing quantum computers. You have to put this qubit in a superposition first, and you have to use the Hadamard gate to do that, which is the H gate. All right, so let's go back, put it in superposition right here. That means it's both a 0 and a 1 when it's in this position. And then we're gonna play the Z gate, and that's gonna go counterclockwise, halfway around the sphere, counterclockwise to the opposite side of where it was when it was in superposition. All right. Now we also can do the S gate. So we're going to put it in superposition. I'm going to put the qubit or the atom in superposition, quantum superposition. And then we're going to add the S gate here, play it, and the S gate goes counterclockwise a fourth around the qubit, around the equator. Okay. And then we're going to put the S back, and we're going to play the T gate. We have to, and by the way, the Z, the S, and the T gates are called phase gates. They're called phase gates, right? The X and the Y gates are called classical gates or computational gates, right? X and Y gates are called computational or classical gates. The Z, S, and T gate are called quantum phase gates, all right? So we're going to put this in superposition. And then we're going to play the T gate, and the T gate goes counterclockwise 1/8 around the equator of the qubit. Okay, it goes counterclockwise 1/8 around the qubit. All right, so that's it for this video. This is kind of like I said, a course for the I wouldn't say beginners. I'm about to say beginners, but for the people that are new to my channel and those that are who've been on my channel but just need a little refreshing, right? Just to go over it a little bit more so that it sets in. My next video will probably be on the inverse S gate and the inverse T gate, and then the measurement gate. I'll talk about those 3 gates. But for now, this is good enough.